Welcome back to another episode of Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland, president of Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media marketing. That's why we're here. Today, I'm going to talk about short form video. And you might be wondering, what is short form video and how is it different? Well, you've probably heard or seen short form videos. They're short, obviously, usually between 15 and 30 seconds of sometimes highly engaging and often just really natural short video. And video is important, so I want you to stay on top of this whole arena because some of these practices might be a good idea for you and your firm. I want you to know that Twitter is getting rid of fleets. You can think of fleets, if you haven't seen them, they're just like stories, Instagram stories, Facebook stories. You saw the little bubbles up at the top of Twitter. Well, those are going away in August. They just didn't work on the platform. So bye, fleets. And then speaking of stories and short form video, YouTube, I want you to pay attention to this one. YouTube Shorts, it's continuing to roll out across the US, and you can compare this to all of the other short form video apps that you're seeing, like Fleets, rest in peace, Fleets, almost. LinkedIn, you can see those at the top of the page on LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Snapchat, and there are a whole bunch more that you probably don't even need to worry about. And I want you to continue, as I mentioned, to be aware of this space because, as you know, YouTube is owned by Google, and by its very nature, Google loves itself and its products. I mean, wouldn't you if you were Google? So we don't know yet what this means for search on Google as well as on YouTube, which also implies shorts could lead viewers to your channel. I can't promise that, but it sure is a possibility. What I do know is that YouTube Shorts are seeing over 6.5 billion daily views, which is nothing to sneeze at for an app that just launched last September. Again, not making any promises or telling you have to dive in head first. Just be aware and thinking, always thinking. All of these might sound uninteresting and sometimes even silly to you. Some of them seem silly to me, but you should also know that they're getting massive exposure. The good news is that you don't have to dance or sing or point at text blocks on the screen like you probably have seen a lot of people do in these. You can just be you and talk about something on your mind. All right, with Legal Marketing Moments, I'm Nancy Myrland. If you need to get a hold of me, you can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com or go to the contact page on my website, which is myrlandmarketing.com. That's MYRLAND marketing.com. Until next time, take care.